social study class. Today we will start chapter 6 in geography, natural vegetation and wildlife. Students, you know the growth of the natural vegetation depend on temperature and moisture. It is also depend on factors such as slope and thickness of soil. Natural vegetation classified into three categories: forest, grassland and shrubs. The changes in the type of natural vegetation occur mainly because of the changes of climatic condition. Forest. First we understand about the forest. Forest grow where temperature and rainfall plentiful to support a tree cover, and forest may be dense and open. There are six types of forest: tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, temperate deciduous forest, Mediterranean forest, and coniferous forest. First, we understand about the tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forests are also called the tropical rainforest. They occur in the regions near the equator and close to the tropic. Example: hardwood trees like rosewood, ebony, and mahogany, etc. And now next, tropical deciduous forest. They are also called the monsoon forest. These forests are found in the large part of the India, northern Australia, and the Central America. Example: hardwood trees like sal, teak, neem, and sisam. Animals like tiger, lion, elephants, lagoons, and monkey are found here. Next, temperate evergreen forest. This type of forest are located in the mid-latitude coastal region and eastern margin of the continents like South East USA, South China, and in the southeast Brazil. They compare both hard and softwood trees like oak, pine, and eucalyptus, etc. Now next point I mention here, temperate deciduous forest. Temperate deciduous forest, they are found in the northeast part of the USA, China, New Zealand, and also found in the coastal regions of Europe. Oak, ash, birch, etc. Common trees and deer, fox, wolves are the common animals found here. Pigeons, monarchs are also found here. Next I mention here Mediterranean vegetation forest. They are found in the area around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa and Asia. China. Fruits such as orange, fig, olives, and grapes are commonly cultivated here. Mediterranean region are known as orchards of the world for their fruit cultivation. And now next point I mention here, last point in forest categories I mention here, coniferous forest. They are called taiga. They are called taiga also. Pure taiga means pure and untouched forest, and found in the Himalayas. A trees named cheer, pine, cedar are the important variety of trees, and silver fox, mink, polar bear are the common animals found here. Next point I mention here, natural vegetation. Next category is grassland. Grassland, there are two types of grasslands: tropical grassland and temperate grassland. Tropical grasslands are, so they are in the area in moderate to low amount of rainfall. Example, savanna grassland of Africa, elephant, zebra, giraffe, deer, leopard are the common animals found in tropical grasslands. And next category of temperate grassland are temperate grassland. They are also found in mid latitudinal zone, and in the interior part of the continent. Short and nutritious grass found here. Wild buffalo, bisons, antelopes, and common animals found here. Now, thorny bushes. They are found in the dry desert. They have scanty vegetation because of the scanty rain, and scorching heat also. Last category of the natural vegetation is shrubs. There are two types of shrubs: thorny shrubs and shrubs. Thorny shrubs are found in dry region like in dry desert, and they have scanty vegetation because of the scanty rainfall, and scorching heat, due to the scorching heat. And a last point I mentioned, tundra vegetation. What is the meaning of tundra vegetation? They are found in polar area of Europe and Asia and North America. Mosses, lichens are very small shrubs are found here. Seal, walrus, musk oxen, Arctic owl, polar bear, and snow foxes are found here. What is the meaning? Now I will send you one PDF related to the concept, and if you have any queries, any question, you have to ask me. And now chapter is over, and see you in next class.